All right, good morning, everyone. Can
Your Honor.
you hear me?
Yes, good morning.
All right, this is the Orca bench trial calendar. I am Judge Melanie Williams. Today is March the 11th of 2022. This is the State Court of Fulton County, Georgia. Today we have only one case, the case of Ms. Cook. Will you please pronounce your first name for me? I'm sorry, Ms. Cook, we can't hear you.
Hi, Janae, can you hear me?
Yes, Ms. Tajani Cook, whose case is 20 COC00468. Before we begin, I want to advise all participants that this proceeding is being broadcast over the internet as a live stream, which means that any member of the public can log on and watch this proceeding. It is also being recorded. To Ms. Cook, you have an absolute right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Before we begin, Ms. Cook, are you ready to go forward with the bench trial today? And I see Ms. Gant and Mr. Lovett are present on the screen. Do you represent Ms. Cook in this matter? Does the Public Defender's Office represent her?
No, Your Honor, we do not. We just wanted to be on the calendar out of an abundance of caution.
Okay. And Ms. Cook, I understand this case was reset in order to give you time to get an attorney.
This was the first date that I did have. I didn't have a prior date, but I was trying to, and since I don't live in the state of Georgia anymore, it was kind of difficult for me to try to do that. I live in Texas now, so.
Okay, and so Ms. Marshall Story, I'm assuming that you're ready to move forward with this bench trial today. Do you represent the state?
Yes, Your Honor, I am representing the state. I would like to say I'm not clear on the procedural posture either. I didn't see that there had been a prior date set or why it was on a bench trial calendar, but the state does have an offer of diversion for Ms. Cook if she is amenable to that.
Okay. Basically, what's happening, Ms. Cook, is that the state would like to present you with an offer that you might be interested in considering. Would you like to speak with Ms. Marshall Story, or are you asking for an additional reset and find time to get an attorney?
I can speak with her.
Okay. Ms. Marshall Story, do you want to put explain to her the state's offer at this time and put that on the record?
Yes. Ms. Cook, I think the best explanation would be this is an opportunity that the state is giving you where you would attend a virtual class. I saw from some prior correspondence that you do in fact live in Texas. Your mail has been diverted there. And the state will not move forward with adding any other sanctions against you. And you will not receive what I call a letter. You will not have a criminal conviction as a result of this. It will be as though the case did not appear. Now, I can't tell you whether or not the charges are going to go away. You may have to take that process on yourself in order to have the charges removed from your record, but you will not receive a record as a result of going through this one. I don't even think it's a full day. I think it's a couple of hours class, and we call that diversion in the office of the Solicitor General.
Okay, Ms. Cook, now that you've heard the state's offer to you, is that something you'd like to consider? Again, I cannot offer you legal advice, and neither can Ms. Marshall Story as part of this proceeding. But you have been reset already, as you're aware of, and you were given time to get an attorney. So are you interested? You do have the right to represent yourself here, but if you do, I'm expecting you to understand exactly how that would affect you if you take a plea today and accept the offer presented to you by the solicitor. Are you interested in taking that plea today?
I am, yes. Is it a plea of like, from my understanding, just so I understand, it's not like a guilty or anything like that?
It's neither a plea of guilt. It's essentially, it's not a plea. Yeah, go ahead and take this class, and that will be the end of this matter.
Okay.
I will need to get some contact information for you and make sure that what I saw in the court file is correct. So if you could put that in the chat for me, your current address in Texas, at least 2 valid phone numbers, and someone from our office will get in contact with you regarding further information for you to complete that diversion class.
Okay. Okay, that sounds good.
Are you aware of where the chat is? Can you see how to do that? And that way you don't have to say everything out loud in court.
Yes, ma'am. I'm typing it now.
I believe that once you've given your information to Ms. Marshall Story, that'll be the end of it, right?
Yes, it will, Your Honor. I will send that directly to our liaison in the office that handles diversion, and Ms. Cook will receive further instructions from the Solicitor General's office.
All right, well, I believe that was a very quick and easy bench trial calendar. Are there any outstanding further matters from either the Public Defender's Office or the Solicitor General that need to be addressed at this time?
Your Honor,
Your Honor,
I am not aware of any.
Nor am I, Your Honor. Thank you very much, and y'all have a nice weekend.
Okay, and if you have, Ms. Marshall, before we close this room down, do you have what you need from Ms. Cook?
I am writing it down as we speak. I don't want to get disconnected. I'm almost.
No, I don't. Yeah, let's make sure you have all that you need before.
I'm almost finished.
And I don't think there'll be any need for us to review the calendar at this time.
Okay, I have what I need. Best of luck to you, Ms. Cook.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, thank you, everyone. That was probably one of the quickest calendars we've had. Everyone enjoy your afternoon, and we'll be in recess until next, I believe Wednesday when we're in.
Okay, the same to you, Judge. Have a wonderful weekend.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.